I'm seeing visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye-bye love. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hello Pisces, welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for May the 8th to May the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and please hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, doon po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Nagla-live po tayo doon and pwede po kayong sumali, no? I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate po sa konti lamang. Take what's only yours, no? So marami tayong pag-uusapan pero magsimula na tayo. Pisces, this week nakakakita ko ng maraming wishes, no, na matutupad, mga projects na sabihin nating nakabinbin, yung hindi pa natatapos, hindi pa pwedeng nasimulan na, pero hindi tayo umug-usad. I feel like ito yung fulfillment ng ang pag-gain harvest. Parang nakikita ko din dito yung feeling of satisfaction. Dahil parang ito yung katuparan, no? Meron ditong mga bullets, siguro, mga wishes, katulad ng sinabi ko, prayers, na inaasahan natin na pwedeng matupad, no? When it comes to romance, especially doon sa mga in separation, yung couples in separation, I feel like ito yung week na magiging daan para magkaroon kayo ng reconciliation. Ito yung week na para aayusin, no, itong issues na nangyayari. Let's get some cards. The Hierophant, which makes sense dahil the Hierophant also signifies harmony. So, whatever, kung ano man itong energies na pinagdadaanan natin, na hindi natin kumbaga, puzzle pieces na hindi natin mapagtugma-tugma, I feel like ito nga, itong pagkakabuo, no, nitong ating inaasahang mga bagay na matapos, ma-achieve ngayong week na ito. The Page of Pentacles and also the Three of Swords. I feel like meron ditong sinusubukan, no? Sinusubukang ayusin. It felt like the last week were a bit of a failure. It could be last week, it could be last month, pero I feel like this attempt, no? This week's attempt will be very successful. Clarifying the Three of Swords is the Six of Vessels. That makes sense. And the King of Vessels. So parang ipinapakita dito, ngayon nararamdaman na, no, na namimiss ko nga itong taong ito. For few numbers of you, I feel like you have separations with these energy. Separations can be physical or energetic. But I feel like ito nga yung merong makakaisip, no? Makakapag-realize na totoong namimiss ko nga itong person na ito. And I feel like this is the time na kailangan kong ayusin ang mga bagay-bagay For a few numbers of you, I feel like yung mga galing ng ibang lugar, whether it is probinsya or ibang bansa, meron itong peace offering, no? Peace offering hindi dahil suhol, kung hindi ito ay appreciation, no? Hindi ka naman sinusuhulan dito. But I feel like meron itong ibibigay sa small things to also express, no, their feelings towards you. When it comes to finances and wealth, ang nakikita ko is, let's say meron man tayong mga pagkakautang, no, or challenges when it comes to pagbabayad, challenges when it comes to fulfilling a specific project. It could also be, sabihin nating business, pagtatayo ng bahay. I feel like this week, whatever those void, mafe-fill up ito with the energy of giving you some, maybe not all the prayers, not all the wishes, pero makikita mo naman na meron talagang changes na mangyayari this week. Careers and job, doon sa mga naghahanap ng trabaho, I feel like this is the time. And I feel like meron din kayo mga in-applyan, no? Parang feeling ninyo na miss ninyo or hindi na kayo tatawagan. I feel like this week, ito yung part or ito yung time na tatawagan kayo, no? When it comes to career, this week will be an opportunity that probably in the past, no, na hindi kayo napagbigyan. Let's say you want to elevate, no, your career positions. So I feel like this week, ito yung magiging daan para bigyan kayo ng another chance to either prove them wrong, bumawi, no? I am also seeing this week when it comes to finances pala, hindi ganun kalaki. Pero there is a flow of energy na parang sasabihin mo, ito na yung magiging simula, no? Singles, I feel like kaya kayo naging single because of the past. It could be someone is going to reach out, you know, that probably that you met from the past. You know what I'm seeing in here dun sa mga may crushes, ito siguro yung pag-asa, no, na meron ding ibinibigay or ibinabato na energy itong person ninyo. So, mararamdaman ninyo na, si person pala ay meron ding pagtingin, no, sa akin. No label situation, I feel like kaparehas ito, no, nung mga may crushes. Mapagtatanto ninyo na hindi lang ikaw ang nag-i-spend or nag-i-invest ng emotion, no? Meron na ring bawi, meron na ring, kumbaga, ibinibigay sa atin itong person natin na nagkakaroon din siya ng interest, no? Doon sa in a relationship na wala namang problema, meron nga ba? I feel like tampuhan lang naman ito. So I feel na meron gagawin si person na bagay para sabihin natin suyutin, no? In a relationship, I feel like, sa married couple, parang kapareha siya nung in a relationship. Meron tayong, kumbaga, I think it's a combination din doon sa mga, hindi siya suhol pero meron siyang regalo, no? Maliit, malaki, it doesn't matter, pero, you know, it comes from the heart. And I think that what matters the most, no? Third party, so ang nakikita natin dito, chances are merong part na kailangan nyong maghiwalay or hindi mag-usap, pero this is a mutual decisions for the both of you to understand each other's importance, no, doon sa buhay ninyo. The justice, I love the justice showed up. That chariot, gusto ko rin yung chariot na lumabas kasi surpassing the challenges, and the lovers, that confirms, no, na ito ay kumbaga ito ang simula ng pagkakaroon ninyo ng harmony. Justice, it felt like meron tayong mga bagay na parang feeling natin para sa atin, pero hindi ito ibinigay o hindi na ibigay or nakaligtaan natin kasi with the Six of Vessels, baka tayo din naman kasi ang may kasalanan dito, no? Naging complacent tayo at humihingi tayo ng chance na ibigay sa ating muli or pagbigyan tayo, no? Katulad nung sa career and finances, I feel like this is the Chariot and the Lovers kinds of give us hope na malalagpasan natin kung ano yung naging issues natin when it comes to our finances. And the Justice card signifies whatever we lost, no, ibabalik sa atin. Kung hindi man masigit, katulad, no, nung nangyari or katulad nung amount, no, we're talking about finances. When it comes to the career, this might be your second chance to prove yourself, no, to bounce back. And I feel like you need to do your best na kasi hindi naman lahat na bibigyan ng second chance, no? Singles, I feel like this is also the time para i-open mo yung sarili mo, whether it is you want to open yourself from the past or you want to open yourself to someone new. It's up to you. But the thing here is, I think the openness in here is more of forgiveness, no? Forgiveness to that person. Career, it seems like na itong ibibigay na opportunity sa atin. Ito yung magiging gateway para malagpasan natin kung ano man yung mga naging challenges from the past, whether it is syempre kadikit nito ang finances, di ba? Dahil kung kaya natin gusto ma-elevate no? Kaya natin gusto ma-promote dahil, of course, gusto din natin, apart from the power, dun tayo sa pera, kaya tayo natrabaho. I feel like ito na nga itong week na ito, ibibigay, no? Chances are magkakaroon, mag-o-open, no? Ang opportunity para sa iyo. Crushes, no labels. I feel like ito yung week na ibibigay sa inyo na mararamdaman mo na hindi lang ikaw ang nag-e-effort. Chances are, dito mo mararamdaman yung feeling na, ay, mahal din ako or importante din ako. No? In a relationship, married couple, I feel like sama na natin yung separated, no? Or couples in separation. Ito nga yung tinatawag nating harmony, no? Kung meron mang mga nagawang hindi maganda, hindi maayos kausap, no? May bawi. Again, itong ibibigay na ito, hindi ito suhol kung hindi paghingi ng tawad, whether it is verbal or through actions, no? Third party situation, I feel like those mutual parang decision, no? Ninyong dalawa to separate and to have a clarity of mind. I feel like ibibigay ito. And I feel like there is also reconciliation in this. Whether you are the third wheel or whether you are the original, it doesn't matter. I feel like itong week is the silence might be a great opportunity for the both of you to understand, no? The connection and the importance of each other's, or I mean the importance of each other in person's life, no? The individual will understand each other para yung importansya na ito pala ay merong valid, no, na reason or merong halaga, no, kaya ko na-meet sa buhay ko. So, tingnan natin ang zodiac sign ng iyong person, pero bago po yan, I want you to know na sa kabilang channel po, Babaylan TV, doon po tayo nagla-live, no? So, pwede kayong magtanong, and kung hindi nyo maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as yung question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi po kayo papatulugin ng yes or no, nasagot lang, dumiretso na po kayo doon sa ating website. Sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung information, name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi Discounted po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. Now let's check the zodiac sign of your person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Gemini, Cancer, Libra, Taurus of Virgo, Pisces, Sagittarius, Scorpio. So, yan po ang inyong reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.